2017 Dodge Challenger. With less than 79,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, cooled front seats, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.